How's it going, everyone? Yeah? What can I say? I'm a little dressed for the occasion. This is a very important day for me because I am sick and tired of the slander, of the absolute slander of people coming to me and saying, "Oh, you don't know how to cook. Your mic sounds ass." Fine, fucking princess. Fine, fucking princess. You want the good mic? Fine, you little fucking crybaby bitches. Fellas, today is my first normal cooking stream. Today I'm actually going to try and make a difference in the culinary world. Hopefully this stream right here pushes away all of those negative notions that people have of me. The negative notion number one is that I am a bad cook and I don't know how to cook. You can't cook. Someone in my chat just said I can't cook. Okay. I'm gonna serve to you guys two bowls today. One is gonna be the meal that you guys are gonna make for me, and another one is gonna be the meal that I'm gonna make for you guys. Envision this right now, chat. Envision this. You are in a restaurant, a 5-star restaurant. You are having such a wonderful time, and I come out as the chef. It's me, I'm your chef. What's your first reaction? Yes, I love this chef. Yes, oh my God, I love Chef Quackity. Imagine I walk up to you and I'm gonna say, you're gonna cook as well. I'm gonna say, you're gonna cook as well, pal. Allow me to introduce you the first menu item. It is very simple. As a starter, we're gonna have the following: chips and guac. Yeah. The entree is a Mexican cuisine called steak quesadillas. For dessert, I bought you guys, so the budget didn't allow for much, so I got an off-brand soda. It's called orange soda. Yes! Orange soda, baby! Y'all ever heard of orange soda? We're gonna make two versions of this menu. This is gonna be the version that I make, and the other one is going to be a chat special. I have a ton of extra ingredients that we're gonna be adding to your version of it. Every 5 gifted subs, an extra ingredient is going to be added. Let's bring out the ingredients. Let's bring out the ingredients. Yes. Let's bring out the ingredients. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we all know that the very first lesson in a kitchen use is safety. Safety is the very first thing we want to take care of. The first thing we're gonna do is, of course, the guac. A lot of people don't think I'm good enough for this. Well, I am, princess. The way you want to do your guacamole is the following manner. You want to make sure that your, what do you guys call it? Avocado? Avocado? You want to make sure your avocado is a little soft from the outside. So the way you test your avocados is the following way. You want to make sure they're a little soft on the outside, because if they're not, they're going to be too hard to cut through. Also, some countries, for those who don't know, call it palta. Whatever the fuck that means. Shut the fuck up. Palta? Are you fucking kidding me? We call it avocado or aguacate. Hey, to all the Americans watching right now, from now on, the right way to say it in English is aguacate. So, anyone knows the anatomy structure of an aguacate? It has this bone in the middle. It has this massive boner in the middle. So what you're gonna do is, as you can see with my knife here, you're gonna cut it in the middle. And you're gonna make sure that baby opens right up. In Mexico, this is what they call green gold. Look at that. After that, you're gonna wanna do this very carefully. You're gonna wanna slash your fucking knife onto the bone. And take it out like this. Wash it? What the fuck do you mean wash it? Hey guys, everyone make fun of the person in my chat who said wash it. Are you goddamn kidding me, pal? Wash an avocado? Oh yeah, because you're gonna be licking the fucking skin off of it. Please. So that's gonna be mine. That's gonna be the one I'm making. Then I'm making the chat version. Now let's see how this bad boy looks. Okay, so you see this? Fucking gross, bro. Someone's grandmother was laid in there. Someone's grandmother's like... I was a little fucked up. Oh, come on. Corpses do that, all right? Corpses do that. They decay. They fucking start decomposing and they leave marks like these, okay? That's a natural process of life, pussy. Crybaby sinner. With the 5 gifted subs, we're gonna randomly choose from here some sort of like ingredients. Tapatio. I've never put hot sauce on guacamole. This is gonna be gross. Okay, we'll add another ingredient. Jalapeno. Oh, actually, jalapenos is really good. Jalapenos is really good on guacamole. That one works. So check this out, guys. A lot of you don't know actually how to cut a tomato. We're gonna start off by the sides, and then we're gonna cut it down the middle like this. And then we're gonna start doing square cuts. Okay, we're gonna start doing square cuts on the tomato like this. My cuts are a little more like chunky. I like chunky tomatoes. I did wash it, motherfucker. Okay, no, I did wash it. You son of a bitch. You guys are throwing false. Okay, I did wash it. For the record, I did. Next up, guys, a lot of people don't know how to cut an onion. I'm actually not sure how to either. Actually, no, I do know. But let me just,
How to chop an onion. This is the root. That's absolutely crucial. Leave that on there. If you cut that off, the onion will start to bleed and you'll start crying rapidly. Slice going forward. Let the weight of the knife do the...
Oh no, this is the onions, bro. Bro, this is a fucking onions. This shit's gonna make me cry, dog. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Okay.
3 fingers, 1 in front.
Whoa, Gordon, what are you doing? Oh shit, this isn't peeled. Let me peel. Hey guys, give me a second. I'm peeling this. You guys ever feel like you don't give the process of fruit growing enough like credit? I feel like a lot of people forget where the onions come from, and I just think we don't keep that in mind enough. I just think we should change that. Remove the first layer. Okay, how about you layer these fucking nuts? You're banned. Get the fuck out.
Halfway into the onion.
Oh Jesus, how the fuck are you doing that? Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, so don't cut entirely through. No, fuck. I think this is a one fruit. I don't know how to cut. It's the onions. I'm not a good onion cutter, you know? Why the fuck is this such a sad process? So what we want to do now, we want to take this onion, we want to cut it more finely. We don't want no big chunks in there. That's going to be fucking gross. How's this looking? It's looking perfect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Okay, guys, continuing on with our expert dish. You know what also belongs in guac? A little bit of cilantro, baby. Ponytail. I could actually do a ponytail with my hair right now. We're gonna grab a little bit of cilantro and grab just a little bit of it. You don't want no big pieces in that son of a bitch, okay? To all the haters, everyone who doubted me throughout my life, I'm out here making guac. So this is what the guac looks like so far. It's actually pretty disgusting. We all want a little spice in our lives. Isn't that correct? So we're gonna take chile serrano, and you're gonna cut it because that's what we need. You know what's perfect for this? Club Penguin used to host these, like, they're called Mexican parties. Yes, sir. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. We're gonna put a little bit of, whatchamacallit, limon. We're gonna put a little limon on the fucking guacamole. Yes, sir. Oh, press it really good in there. You don't want to forget the salt. Look at this. Yes, sir. Now, you're going to start mixing this shit. It looks like vomit? That's just, pal, you're just being racist at this point. Oh, so you're saying Mexican food looks like vomit? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're implying? Mexican food? Okay, no. You know what? How's that going to look on your work resume? I'm going to put this shit in the bowl now. All right, haters. Fucking haters. Yeah, I saw you. That looks fucking like vomit. That looks like fucking vomit. No, it doesn't. No, it fucking doesn't. So we got the guacamole. Now we're going for the main dish. I am making quesadillas. We're gonna be using a piece of steak. So instead, wash it. Are you wash the steak? I'm gonna shut the fuck up. What do you mean wash the steak? So the way to prepare steak is very simple. I think I'm gonna cut this in half. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not using the steak. I'm using ribeye. So we're gonna use this ribeye steak. Do a ponytail. I can't! So what I like to do for my steaks is I like to marinate them with a little bit of olive oil. The olive oil is basically, as you can see, it is right here. We're gonna take this olive oil and spread it all around the steak. We're gonna turn that bad boy over and we're gonna do the exact same thing. So we're gonna marinate it with a little bit of salt like that. You can add whatever salt you want. And then we're gonna marinate it with a little bit of pepper. A little bit of Peppa Pig. Check this out. Oh shit, I've never even used pepper in my fucking life. Ah! Ah! Hey, so a lot of people say I can't open it. The reality is I got my hands wet. So everything is slippery, okay? Ah! Ah! Plan B. So there's holes here. I'm just gonna poke him with a fucking knife. I mean, fork. Okay. Okay. You wanna really massage the meats, all right? You wanna make the meats feel loved. Because if the meat is gonna love you in your mouth, then you gotta love it back. We're gonna go ahead and throw this bad boy on medium. Did you put oil? No! Because the oil already went on the fucking steak! Hey guys, that was my evil twin taking over. I'm back now though. So listen, what you need, 2 basic tortillas, really easy. Wash the tortillas? What? What? The tortillas? What? All right, so what we're gonna do is take the cheese next. Wash the cheese? The fucking cheese? That steak is done, baby. That steak is done. Yeah! America, #1. We're gonna let that rest so the juices within the steak, they marinate throughout its entire body. Watch the steak, all right. Okay, all right, okay. You guys are fucking with me. They retain their juices, and let's try it. We're gonna take these quesadillas and put them on the pan. A lot of people, the name Americans, usually what they would do is they would get like a fork or spatula to flip the shit. Are you fucking kidding me? We do it with no items. We do it with our bare hands. In my country, in Mexico, we use our bare hands to demolish that shit. It's crazy. I love that song. Actually, you know what? I lied. For quesadillas, I am gonna need a fork. Ah! I burned myself. Time to serve up. Check this out. Quesadilla. Grab a little bit of guac. I like to add a little bit of lemon extra. You close that shit up, and you've got the Quackity quesadilla special. I do think this counts for a celebration, people. A little celebration with an off-brand Birdie with the 50 subs. Thank you so much. Rotate and wash the water. Okay. We're gonna celebrate with off-brand orange soda. Hey, let's enjoy. Come on. Hey, come on. Let's enjoy. Let's take a look. Give this bad boy a shot. Fuck it, it's my guac. Literally, it's my guac. No one else is gonna do this for me. I almost want to make a drink. I almost want to use the skills. Do you guys want to know a cool bartender trick? Let's say, and this, I'm not gonna use any alcoholic drinks for this. But let's say you have a glass of water and you want to make it cold really fast. You just fill the shit with ice. If you have like shit water, like this is room temperature, but I'm gonna make it cold in 2 seconds. This is usually for mixing. But if I just want to like pour it inside here, all I do is get this. And now it's like fucking cold. Look, and you can tell from the glass that it's fucking cold. And say if it's all mixed and I want to pour it on a glass. There you go. And now it's literally cold water. So good. It's literally fucking cold. That's the point of these. For example, the point of this, make sure that none of the ice escapes. I'm gonna put some more. But you do that with like alcoholic drinks. You guys want to see something cool? It's bottles upon bottles. If I could, I would do like a mixing stream. That would be so cool. A mixing stream would be so cool, but I don't think I should, but who knows? Thank you so much for watching and enjoying my little cooking stream. I hope we have cleared up the rumors. And we have let everyone know that I, in fact, am not shit. I'm actually not shit at fucking cooking. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. I absolutely love you guys. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all your patience. Bye!